Hi, Mike. Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my post on Facebook and allowing me to make this video for you. There's just a few things I want to go over with you, and at the end of the video, if you could just possibly give me some feedback, I would greatly appreciate it. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's just go ahead and get into it. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to consist of anything that's on the front page of your website here. Any wording, any photos, how those photos are saved, what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does recommend that you have about 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these specific keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So with you being a fencing company, you definitely want to put fencing installation, League City, Texas, fences, League City, Texas. There's all sorts of keywords that we can take and implement into your website so it's easier to find you on Google. So I pulled up one of your competitors here, and they have a decent amount of content. So the more content you have, the more ways you're able to implement these keywords so you're easier to be located when someone's looking for your services. Now, the next thing I want to go over with you today is called backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find a website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, aka people's websites pointing back at them. Now, however, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want something relevant to your industry and local websites. Those are going to be what works best. I have a little tool here that I can use to see exactly how many backlinks your website has, and currently there are 40 backlinks. Now, if we pull up the competitor's website here, they have 223 backlinks. So the way we can use this tool is we can see what backlinks they have, try to use those to implement them with your website, and then the goal is to definitely get more backlinks than what they have as well. So the last thing is citation. And what a citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly how your Google business profile shows it. A citation can help you rank in this map pack over here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Now, a citation includes directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, the Better Business Bureau, and hundreds of others that you might have heard of. Another great tool is social media accounts as well. Now, the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google is going to trust you. Once Google sees you more often than the competitors, the more likely it's going to be to rank you above them. Now, once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors. Now, I'm not sure what your margins are at the moment, but I do imagine this is something that could help you generate some pretty decent income. And like I was saying earlier, also there's usually so many more keywords that we could use to implement into your website to generate more and more traffic and leads for you as well. So again, I just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to reach out to my post and letting me make this video. If you do find yourself wanting some more information to continue scaling as far as you want, please feel free to reach out to me and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about what your goals are and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to actually reach those goals. Again, my name is Brittany. I would just appreciate some feedback at the end of this video, but please feel free to reach out any way you can. You can message me on Facebook. My phone number is going to be attached to this message. You can text message me, you can call me, whatever you need. Please just feel free to reach out, and I really do hope this helps you. You can always take these tips and tricks and use them to implement into your business. But I hope you have a wonderful day, and I really appreciate you taking the time. Thank you so much.